Everyone's Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have a missing storage bar meter in Windows 11. So I went to this PC and I can see my C drive right here. And if it's not showing a storage bar, what we want to do is go up to the three little dots for see more, and then go to options. Then go on over to where it says view, and we want to go to reset folders. So if you have any kind of issue with your folders, just reset this and then go to yes. And maybe there was a setting under here that got changed for some reason. Otherwise, you can go to restore defaults and go to OK. And it should reset this little storage bar meter for you. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.